Can you get it? Can you get it? You can get it. Use those Gekko Muscles. Good job. Thumbs up. Go ahead and get it. Gekko Muscles?
Yes. And another one.
Good job. Hey, there's another one up there.
I did it.
All right, go grab it. Yep. Is it heavy?
No.
Oh, that's a big one up there. I don't know if you can get that one.
Yeah.
It's awfully big.
Yep.
All right. Gotta take a break.
I got this.
You got it.
Look.
Gekko Muscles. Can you get it? You can get it. Man up, little buddy. That's just a little dirt. Drag it if you want. Here, I'll help you. I can't believe you can't get that. Oh, you can get that one, huh? Can you put it up in there?
Yeah.
Now, let's see. I don't think you can. I don't think you can do it. I don't think you can do it. I thought you could do it. I was just trying to motivate you. All right, buddy, you want to take that wheelbarrow out of here? Come on, put some strength into it. What is the wheel blocked? Oh, no, buddy, that's a bad one. Good job, though. That's not good. Critter got to that. Go, 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 go. You can do it. I think it was Gekko Muscles. All right, Wyatt, how are we going to get this one out of the fence?
This.
No, look up here. Look, it grew. Look, right here. It grew in between the fence. You see that?
I tried it.
All right, you hold on to it. Down there. I'm going to cut it over here. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, see if we can pull it through. Hold on, hold on, hold on. You got it? Oh, oh. Is it coming? All right. Good job. Not a bad little haul. Well, here is the final squash harvest. Not too bad, not too bad. I will take it. We got the Tahitian up here, the giant Tahitian ones. We got some butternuts and a couple of leftover, kind of small and skinny. But the tromboncino squash right here. So not too bad. I got a couple up here that looks like the critters got into, so I'll probably let them feast on those. And then I've got the pumpkins. They've been up here for a couple of weeks now, so they are ready. They're all hardened off and ready to be carved. Halloween's just around the corner. Not bad. Hey, we'd love to hear from you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.